Hi, this is Michael Walker, Secondary Tech Integrationist, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can use a tool called Tweetdeck to more easily manage the networks you may belong in. So here's my regular site on Twitter, and I've on the home section where I can see the number of tweets, the number of people I'm following, my followers. I can compose a tweet in this section, and here are all the different tweets coming into my stream from the different people that I'm following right now. As I take a look at this, if somebody responds to me and I miss it in the stream, I need to have a different way of finding it. So I have to click on something where now I can see interactions, and if people mention me in conversation, I can see that here. But there's some extra clicks I have to follow, or if I want to take a look at other things, if I want to do some searching, I have to click on something else. So it's not quite as convenient to be able to look and see all of your information. Well, there's a product that's been out there for a while, and now Twitter has actually bought them, and it's called Tweetdeck. And with Tweetdeck, you get columns of your information. So over here is that same Twitter stream you saw earlier. Here is a column of all the mentions when people mention me. And here's those direct messages when people send me a private message that's not meant for the rest of the world. Up here, I can compose a tweet. And I can attach images, I can add video, what have you, and then I can send it out. In addition, I can also add other networks. So for example, if I want to, I can add my Facebook or add my LinkedIn or my Twitter. So when I send this out, it will automatically go to all of those networks. That's a nice feature. Except for the people that are following you on those networks, and they get 3 messages instead of 1. The other thing you can do is add other columns. So for example, I can hit this plus sign to add a column, and it's going to give me the option of adding hashtags, things that I'm following. So I like to follow ISD 273, which is our district, so I might follow that column. If I want to add another column for other hashtags that I follow, I can follow EduWin, which is another one, educational wins that are happening out there in classrooms. It's a place for you to share those great things that are happening in class with others. I can also add lists. So I might I have a group of coworkers, and I would like to follow that list, and so that list will come up and in a separate column. The nice thing too, if I want to, I can click here and move those columns. So if I want the coworkers column over next to my direct messages, so when I'm looking on the screen I don't have to scroll. Now I can kind of see things that are happening. So if a coworker tweets something out and I want to respond, I can see that right away and simply click on their name and add them to the tweet. So Tweetdeck is a nice tool for being able to add different columns and organize the information, and you should give it a try.